Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure, or I'll let you guys know how can you invest in Coinbase. If you wish to invest in Coinbase, then you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to select buy on Coinbase homepage. So what you need to do is click on the buy button, or you could also scroll down and look for any sort of asset. Then enter an amount to buy. After which you want to select pay with or choose to confirm your payment method as well. So then you need to buy and choose or confirm the asset you're buying. After which you want to select review order to confirm your purchase details, and if the details are correct, select buy now to complete the purchase. This is one way of investing in Coinbase. Likewise, you could also look or explore any of these market trades. There you could go and explore some of the ideas, and that's how you could invest in Coinbase. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.